Today we will be discussing about different types of motion. The page number is 153 of chapter number 11, moving things and measurement. This is module 3 discussion. Through this interactive video session, we are going to learn about what is the meaning of motion, and there are different types of motions such as linear motion or the rectilinear motion, curvilinear motion, circular motion, periodic motion, oscillatory motion, non-periodic or the abrupt motion, mixed motion, resultant motion, and the last one is the random or the irregular motion. In this video we will discuss only the linear motion, curvilinear motion, circular motion, and the periodic motion. Up to this, first I would like to mention what is the meaning of motion. In physics, motion is meant by changing with time of either the position or the orientation of any body. I repeat, in physics, the term motion is meant by changing with time either of the position or the rotation of the body. And the most common kind of motion combines both the translation and the rotation of the body. Now the meaning of translation of body is while a body moves along a line or a curve. This is called the translation of the body. While a body is in circulatory orientation, this is called the rotation of the body. The first type of motion is called the linear motion, or another name of this motion is called the straight line motion. When an object moves along a straight line but not in a curved line, following a fixed direction is said the linear motion or the straight line motion. The different examples of the linear motion or the straight line motion of any object is: number 1, while an apple falling from a tree, the motion of the object apple is called the linear motion or the straight line motion, because while an apple falls from a tree, it covers or moves along a straight line by following the fixed direction towards the earth center. That's why the motion of an apple falling from a tree is linear motion or the straight line motion. Another example we can also mention here about the linear motion or the straight line motion is a car or bus moving along a straight road, or the striker on the carom board, or a ball rolling towards the boundary. These are the different examples of the linear motion or the straight line motion of the object. And the linear motion must be along a straight line, mind it, but not in a curved line. Now the curvilinear motion, this is the picture of the curvilinear motion. The bikes moving not along the straight line but along the curved line. This is the curve. When an object moves initially in a straight line but takes a curve at the far extent, it is called the curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion, it is the motion of an object while the object takes initially first in a or moves in a straight line, then takes the curve at the far end of the path is called the curvilinear motion. Now, what are the different examples of the curvilinear motion? Such as a ball, when it is thrown up in the air, it goes straight up and then it takes a curve to come down to the earth. This is the example of the curvilinear motion. Similarly, the rocket, when it is fired into the space, it goes up in a straight line and then it is seen taking a curve or the turn towards the earth. Then it comes down to the earth. This is the curvilinear motion. The third type of motion is called the circular motion. This is the circular motion, or the rotation, spinning motion, we can say in another word. The rotational motion or spinning motion or the circular motion. In this kind of motion, the object takes rounds. Now, the circular motion is of two kinds. Number one, the rotatory motion or the spinning motion, and the second one is the revolving motion. All kind of spinning motions are called the rotatory motion. The different examples of such kind of motion, such as a boy while remaining at a fixed place taking round, is called the rotation. An axis of a moving fan is also called the rotatory motion or the spinning motion. The rotation or the earth rotating along its axis, it is known to us. This is earth rotation is called one kind of rotatory or spinning motion. And the rotating central pin of the clock is also the example of rotatory or the spinning motion. The second type of circular motion is called the revolving motion. And here the object goes round and round. This is the circular motion. There are different examples of revolving motion, such as the merry-go-round. This is the picture of merry-go-round, and a child while sits on the merry-go-round, the motion found is the revolving motion. Similarly, moon revolves around the earth. This is also the revolving motion of the moon. Earth revolving around the sun, and this moving is called, or motion is called, the revolving motion of the earth. Similarly, the blades of a moving fan is also called the revolving motion. We have to know that earth shows two different types of motion at a time, such as it rotates, or the earth rotates along its axis. This is the rotational motion. And the earth also revolves around the sun, and this is the revolving motion of the earth. Similarly, the fan also is the most suitable example of the body in circular motion. While the fan is put on its axis, it shows the rotational motion, and while the blades of the fan revolve around the axis, it shows the revolving motion of the fan. Now, the last type of motion is the periodic motion of today's discussion. And the meaning of periodic motion is the motion which repeats itself at a regular interval of time. This is the periodic motion. there are different types of examples such as the heartbeat, it is the periodic motion, the pulse, it is also the periodic motion, the hands of a clock, it's also the example of the periodic motion. Similarly, the pendulum of clock, child on a seesaw, a girl on a swing, this is the girl on a swing picture, it is the periodic motion. Rotatory motion of the earth, we know the earth rotates once in 24 hours on its own axis, and the revolving earth around the sun, it is also the example of periodic motion because we know the earth goes round and round the sun by completing one circle in 365 1/4 days. In our next video we will discuss about the remaining other types of motions such as the oscillatory motion, non-periodic motion, mixed, resultant motion, and the last one is random motion. Thanks for watching this video.